All right, we got something right here. Oh shit. I didn't even have time to take the bells off. Shit. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh shit, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Don't jump, don't jump. Don't jump. He's coming towards us. Okay. 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 Oh. All right, buddy. He's coming towards us. I don't think he knows that he's been caught yet, but this right here, this is a grass carp. Oh, look at this guy. It's pretty nice. It's a little one. These things get actually pretty big. And unfortunately, they're extremely invasive. These things have an appetite. I mean, these guys will eat everything in their path. Grass, all the eggs of every native fish in these waters. That's why they don't want you throwing these guys back. But man, look at these guys. They put up a huge fight. As soon as they realize that they've been caught, you better be careful because they might snap your line if you don't know what you're doing. But yeah, this guy's pretty much gassed out. Take a look at him. His ugly green color. Dookie green, if you will.